Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, kids. Those who are coming for the first time, thank you very much. Those who are coming again, thank you very much. This is your nurse. What we are doing is we are studying. This is the third video of the series, Law of Indices and Surds. The question that we have got is write the following in the form of A root B. Again, two images for you, law of surd and law of indices. Now, in this particular video, we are looking at not law of surd, we are looking at law of surd, not of indices, or indices are also called as exponents. Okay, it's one and the same thing. Now, look at this question, what is coming to me? The question is asking me to find square root of 2 plus square root of 8 in the form of A root B. Okay, let's look at this. Notice one thing, okay, there's nothing that I can do here, but look at this. Can you look at this particular formula? See this, it is not this way, okay, it is the other way around. It is this direction. It is this direction. Watch on this very carefully, okay? Let's see how to solve it. What I have got is, I will write this as root 2 plus root 8. I can write this as 4 into 2. Very good. Root 2 as it is. Now this can be written as 4 into root 2. Okay, for the first time when I'm solving longer way, then after you can skip this step. Root 2 plus root 4 can be written as what? 2 root 2. Now 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2. What do I get? 3 root. Hope you have understood it. Okay. Like, share, subscribe. And for the first time, I want you to solve. Okay, I'll solve the second one also. I will not take chances. Let me solve the second one. 4 root 3 minus root 12 plus 4 root 48. Okay. I will write this 4 root 3 as it is minus. This number I can write as 4 into 3 plus 48. 40, okay, 13 1 the 13, 13, 23, 13 to the 42, no, 14 1 the 14, 14 to the 28, 14 to the 4, 14 to the 42. 16 1 the 16, 16 to the 32, 16 3 the 48, 16 3 the 48. Okay, so the common what I'm looking at is this 3. Look at this. Now this can be written as 4 root 3 minus this 4 will become what? 2 root 3 plus 4. This 16 will become 4. Once it comes out, what does it become? 16 root 3. Okay, do the calculation. 4 minus 2 plus 16, and that is 2 plus 16, and that is 18. This is my form. Look at the form that they are asking you to write. All right. Now the same thing. Look at the other one. 2. Okay. 2 root 2 the cube plus 3 root 2. Okay. Can I do this as 2 the cube into root 2 the cube plus 3 root 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 into root 2 the cube will become what? 2 root this plus 3 root 2. 8 to the 16 root 2 plus 3 root 2. What do I get? 90 root 2. Okay, so this is the third video of the series for Pure Maths 1 for year 12. Okay, we will continue this and I will try to touch 100 videos. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day. Take care.